Now here's the tip for you guys. If you spend like 10-20 minutes to do a melody, your ears get fatigued, they get used to it, and after you're done, you might not like the result. The solution is... As I was scouring the YouTube for some hard piano LIL DURK type beat tutorials, I noticed there are so many pain tutorials, but only a few hard trap ones. I was like, maybe I don't like pain, maybe I like something hard hitting. So today's video, it's all about how to make a hard piano type beat for LIL DURK. Let's not waste any more time and get cooking. The first sound I'm using is my favorite piano right now, and it's the warm natural piano from Expand. I lay down these chords in the scale of F minor. I've added an EQ and some reverb. Then I routed the melody to a different bus with halftime on it, and another bus with portal and panman. This is how the piano sounds now. The second sound is the same preset playing this melody. Again, adding EQ and reverb and routing the melody to the same two buses. Third sound is a harp, also from Expand. Just a subtle accent here and there. For effects, we have an EQ and a reverb, also a filter free. Fourth sound is this pad, again from Expand. For effects, we have a shaper box with this sidechain preset, an EQ and a reverb. I've added this bass. Last sound, it's a one-shot accent. For effects, we have portal, a shaper box with this preset, and a panman. This is how the loop came out. Now here's the tip for you guys. If you spend like 10-20 minutes to do a melody, your ears get fatigued, they get used to it, and after you're done, you might not like the result. The solution is to change the pitch and give it a different vibe. I've used Sound Shifter here to bring it down 3 semitones, and this is how it sounds now. Now let's do the drums. Let me show you another trick for this bounce snare. Select the snare, go to the control panel, and then to the last one. Note fine pitch. Play with the velocity there to create different pitches. This is how the drums sound together. I've added this filter effect and this riser for the intro. This is how the beat came out. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and a sub if my content helped you in some way, shape or form. See you in the next video. Bye.
Andrew, please shut the fuck up.